Today we're going to be doing, once again, some simple quilt patterns, and we're going to be making a full page background and a border. For this, you're going to need your personal trimmer, and you're going to need 3 pieces of paper. I'm going to use the Totally Tonal yellow and green duo kit. So these are the 3 sheets I've selected, and you're going to need a 4-inch strip of each of these sheets to create a new 12 by 12 sheet. So let's take these in the trimmer and go ahead and take 4 inches off. Like so. These you can use for matting or something on another page, the excess. So with the 3 strips you have left, we are going to decide which side we want to work with and how we are going to line them up. So there's my 3 pieces. I think I want this side, or do I want this side? I think I'm going to go with this side. So you can either put these together again by mounting them on another scrap piece of paper to work with, or you can bind them with strips of some little scrap paper or another adhesive. So I'm going to be using some of the Sukwang tape, double-sided, and I'm just going to meld these 2 pieces together. So rotate my mat, and we'll go ahead and get that done. Once we have this in place, we are going to take it and set it on our trimmer, and we are going to make 2 cuts at the 6-inch mark. That's number 1. Now I'm going to stack it and rotate. And then stack it again, and this will give us our 4 quilt patterns. Now you'll work on your scrapbook page and decide how you want to set these up. And you can rotate them and spin them and just place them any which way you might want. Let's go this way. And there you have your quilt pattern on your page. You need 1 inch off of 3 strips of paper. So 3 1-inch strips. So go in here, line it up to the 1-inch mark. And go on down. And then I'm going to make a base for it. From that, I'm going to use a scrap from another piece of paper. I need a 3-inch strip. I'll slide in here to the 3-inch mark. To work on, that's 3 inches all the way down, all set. And I'm going to adhere these 3 strips to this border. I'll need my trimmer again in just half a second. So we'll fix these in place. So once these are adhered together, I have my backup piece to put them back on. I'm going to go ahead and prep these for my pattern. So I'm going to take my 3-inch strip and I'm going to line it in at 1.5 inches, cutting it straight down. Going to stack those nicely. And then you want to go 1.5 each way, but I'm going to start with a 3. And do some more stacking first. 3 inches. Let's go 3 inches at this end. And another 3 inches. There you go. And we'll slide all these at the 1.5. Again. One and a half. Stay together. 1.5. 1.5. And 1.5. There we go. Let's hold all those down. And cut them all. Alright, so now we have all our grid patterns. Don't those look so cute? So from here, we're going to go and just reassemble all these little pieces, intermixing to make it nice and cute. So here's my piece. Gonna pause and put my adhesive on the back of these, and for this I am going to use repositional, just to, in case I have to slide some things around. So I'm going to add some repositional on the back of all these, and I'll be right back with you. Here we go. First piece is in place. Let's just see what we have. This one I'm going to run up and down from the top. Actually, I'm going to run it to the bottom. You can just play around with these as you go. There we have it, a nice, just mixed up decorative pattern based on my quilt squares. There we have our border. Nice and flashy. I'll add it to a page and I'll show you what it looks like.